Welcome back to San Pancho, Hidden Paradise, Part 2. In this episode, we take a closer look at what makes San Pancho a hidden paradise. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified about all our new videos. So far, we've really enjoyed our visit to the small town of San Francisco, Nayarit. We found some nice beaches, some great outdoor activities, and some good food. And after a few days, we discovered San Pancho is all about surfers, motos, niños, and perros. Los perros, the dogs, enjoy a level of freedom that you don't see in other towns. There's no leash laws or dog catchers. The dogs did what they wanted, each with their own personality. I believe this one's name is Uma. I've seen her in other videos. They seem to own the beach here in San Pancho. They kept thinking the drone was a bird, and they wanted to eat it. All these dogs want to eat the drone, and they are having such a good time. They can't wait. They're just waiting for it to take off again. This guy, he's waiting. It's very natural, dogs being dogs. Let's go surf. You can't stay in a surf town without surfing. Our host Alonzo invited us to sit in on a surf tour he was giving. He's the president of the surfing organization here. So off we went to Punta Mita in a beach called La Lancha. It was quite an adventure just making it to this beach. It was super muddy and hard to maneuver. It was a long walk. Alonzo gave us a quick class on the basics.
Send the beach forward, that's the way first.
And then it was time to hit the surf. I didn't catch a lot of waves, but it was just good to be out there, charging. Surfing here in San Pancho is such an important part of the community. People come from all over to surf these waves, and they say some of the best surfers come from San Pancho. They start at a very young age, and they take pride in their reputation. If you're looking for a good surf shop, I would recommend Nativa in San Pancho. They were really nice and professional, and I rented a paddleboard for only 300 pesos a day. You need a more advanced skill level to paddleboard in San Pancho because the water is very rough. I'm more of a beginner, and I fell many times. Many times. But still fun.
How are you feeling?
Like $1 million to see me get up out there. And in the evening, we found a couple good restaurants that had some good vegan and vegetarian options. Great veggie tacos with beans and these terrific salsas. They had tasty food.
Do you like the taquitos as well?
Estas son quesadillas artesanales. La masa es verde, lleva nopal también, espinaca y avena. Estaba rellena de flor de calabaza, que es riquísima. La hacen con elote. Y estaba rellena de nopal. Yes, delicious. Very, very traditional.
Adopting a plant-based diet is better for the environment, it's better for your body, and most of all, it shows respect for the animals, who have the right to enjoy their lives as well. Another good spot was right across the street at Dulce Amor. A very nice Italian spot, and they have the best bruschetta in town.
Oh, I love this. Oh.
Yeah. It was incredible. Highly recommend this place. So good.
They said it was the best bruschetta in town.
It's true.
Pretty good.
Really, San Pancho is a family town, not a party town. You can see that clearly at the largest building in town, Entre Amigos, a local community center set up to serve the public and its children.
We are at Entre Amigos in San Pancho, which is a Centro Comunitario Educativo, an educational community center, and we are a space of learning, and one of our principal projects is our library, and the programs that we have primarily educational about the medio ambiente, the environment. We also have a program about recycling. We're the largest recycling distributor in the area. And we have a ecodiseño area of our organization where we create products from our recycling space.
I heard an interesting story about how the mothers and children of the town pledged to stop eating turtle meat and eggs, out of respect and compassion for the turtles. Children have a natural kindness and empathy that adults can learn from. This is why adopting a plant-based diet is so important. Since we're in town, we offered to give a free art class about the basics of henna tattooing. Henna Bootcamp 101.
Vamos a ver un poco de la historia, terminología, vamos a mezclar un poco y vamos a aplicar un poco para que la gente tenga una idea.
As Margarita taught the basics of henna, how to mix, coning, and application techniques, I drew henna tattoos on the eager students. It was a good class and people seemed to like it. It felt good to give to this awesome community. We are big fans of henna tattooing because it doesn't hurt the body and it comes and goes like magic. It's a great art form that anyone can learn. The day before I gave Margarita a full sleeve tattoo. It was a combination of henna and hogwood gel. It had the Day of the Dead theme with skulls and the Virgin Mary. It was cool. Right across the street from Entre Amigos is a tasty chocolateria with all sorts of artesian cacao treats. Be sure and order the cacao and banana smoothie with coconut milk, and make sure they add extra chocolate nibs.
Strawberry, banana and mango, cacao in powder, and cacao beets on top.
And just west of that was our favorite restaurant, El Gallo, where you can find authentic Mexican veggie and vegan options. Everything had a really good taste. It was awesome. And they had super soulful entertainment. These girls rocked. San Pancho is truly a hidden gem of the Riviera Nayarit. It's a magical village that you will surely fall in love with. We did. The people are very friendly, a place where everyone greets each other with buenos dias. Yeah, a place where everyone says hello to each other. Where educating the children and protecting the environment are top priorities. The people of San Pancho are fighting hard so commercial growth doesn't take over the city like its big sister, Sayulita. They are constantly battling local corruption that tries to block access to public beaches and bypass building laws. In the short time we were there, we saw dramatic changes taking place. New construction that was threatening to take over the best surfing beach. I've included a link below to a video that explains all about San Pancho's fight against local corruption. We think it's important that towns like San Pancho are protected from the out-of-control ecotourism that threatens so many coastal towns, so that many generations can come here and enjoy this incredible beauty. The ultimate goal is to protect all life, be it human, animal, insect, or plant, because all life is sacred and we're all connected. And we all deserve a chance to enjoy this incredible life. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. And we want to know your favorite places to visit in the Riviera Nayarit. Thanks for watching and enjoy the life. Watch our next episode as we enjoy the Day of the Dead in Sayulita. What a party!